Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the startup programs on your Windows 10 operating system. So sometime it happens that when you install several programs on your Windows operating system and most of them are started at the time of startup, it makes your PC slower. So let's see how we can just enable or disable these startup programs on our Windows 10 operating system and hopefully make our Windows 10 faster. So just right click on this taskbar. So just right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager here. And if you see this kind of window here, you just need to click on more details, which is going to show you this kind of window. And then go to the startup tab here. So just click on startup tab. And here you will see the list of all the programs which are started at the time of startup. So this is relatively a new PC. So I just see 3 programs here. But if your PC is old and you have installed many programs on your Windows 10 operating system, you will see a list of programs here under this startup section. So just find out whatever software you don't need or you don't want to start at the time of your Windows startup and just disable them. So disabling the program at the time of startup is really easy. Just select the program which you want to disable and you can see the status in front of the program. So let's say I just want to disable Microsoft OneDrive. Just select this and then click on disable. And when you click on disable, you see it's disabled here. Okay. Similarly, let's say I just want to disable this Windows security notification. I can do that by just clicking on the disable button. Enabling is also very easy. Just select the program and then click on enable, which is going to enable this once again. So this is how you can disable or enable startup programs on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.